Okay, the documentation of the boy versus girl.
Yep, right, and here's his dinner. Still on the plate.
This girl. Here's the boy's dinner. See, there's the picture. We're filming. Read.
Hey, Mommy, let me see that.
No, no, no.
What is that? Will you come back in here, please?
How's your dinner, Mara?
Is your dinner good, Mara?
Mommy, I need some more rice, Mom.
What do you say?
Please have some more rice, Mom.
Okay, sure. Daddy, will you bring her that rice in the pink bowl?
What?
We bring her rice in the pink bowl. We're gonna go study the boy again.
Hey! Hey!
What are you doing?
Look! Look at my face! Look.
Here we see the boy in his natural habitat.
Oh, Mara. Mommy looks so good at bedtime.
Banana?
It's idle night. We should do one of the mother.
Mara, did you get your rice yet?
Yeah.
Maybe we should get a picture of the moms. Which one has
our natural
more? Which one has more worry lines?
Yeah. See these lines around the eyes?